In this video, I'll show you how to clear the cache in Adobe Reader to help improve performance and free up space on your computer. First, make sure to close Adobe Reader completely so that none of the cache files are in use while you attempt to delete them. Then, open the search box on your Windows system and type Run. In the Run dialog box, type %temp% and press Enter. This will open the Temporary Files folder where Adobe Reader stores some of its cache files. Look for files with Acrobat or Adobe in their names. Select them, right-click, and choose Delete. If you want to delete all temporary files, press Ctrl-A to select everything, then press the Delete key. After clearing the temporary files, the next step is to delete cache files directly from Adobe Reader's installation folder. Open This PC on your computer, go to the C drive, open the Users folder, select your username, and look for the App Data folder. If you don't see App Data, go to the top menu, click View, and check Hidden Items. Once App Data is visible, open the Local folder, then the Adobe folder, followed by the Acrobat folder, and finally the DC folder. Here you'll find the Cache folder. Open it, select all files, right-click, and select Delete. Finally, restart Adobe Reader. Your cache has now been cleared, which can help improve performance and resolve minor issues. That's it. Clearing Adobe Reader's cache is a simple process that keeps the app running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.